Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Annie whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Annie whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle at innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Annie. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Annie whisk won't discolor, warp or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Baking dish. 6-piece set. Includes 1 9x13 x 3-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, 1 7x11 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, and 1 8x8 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. These deep baking dishes are the essentials to have in any kitchen, as they are versatile in use from prepping to baking and storing. Go deeper. Add up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love. There's more room to get creative. Deeper size stops spillovers, and more importantly, holds more of the good stuff for your parties and gatherings. Snug fit lids. Perfectly fitting and BPA-free plastic lids are freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. Stovetop espresso maker. The original mocha coffee pot. Mocha Express is the original stovetop espresso maker. It provides the experience of the real Italian way of preparing a tasteful coffee. Its unique shape and the inimitable gentleman with mustache date back to 1933, when Alfonso Bialetti invented it. Made in Italy. It is made in Italy, and its quality is enhanced by the patented safety valve, which makes it easy to clean, and its ergonomic handle. Available in many sizes and suitable for gas, electric, and induction, with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. One size for each need. Mocha Express sizes are measured in espresso cups. Coffee can be enjoyed in espresso cups or in larger containers. Cleaning instructions. The Bialetti Mocha Express must only be rinsed with clean water after use, with no detergents. The product is not to be washed with a dishwasher, as it will be irremediably damaged and the taste of coffee altered. Ice snow cone maker. Make snow cones like a pro. The high-quality snow shaving system allows you to make mountains of snow cones snow quickly, easily, and safely. Push-down handle. Add ice into the ice chute and use the safety-ensured push handle to begin shaving ice into fluffy, flavor-absorbing snow. 64 ounces. Capacity. Fit up to 64 ounces, or about 8 normal-sized snow cones, in the snow cone chamber for so many delightful treats. Snow cones, ice scoop, and side handles. After shaving ice, use the convenient ice scoop to fill one or all of the 4 reusable snow cone cups. Then place them neatly on the side shelves for easy serving. Add your flavor. Add any of your favorite snow cone syrup flavors. Use Nostalgia snow cone syrups for deliciously cool results. Easy cleaning, easy storing. Disassemble to parts for easy and thorough cleaning, then store neatly using the hidden cord storage on the unit. Dish drying rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Kitchen blender. Powerful crushing, the 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 versatile functions. All 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, utilize 1,500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Blades for any recipe. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe, and BPA-free parts. Hand washing. Wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Use the provided cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact. Ice cream scoop. Effortless hard ice cream scooping. No more bending spoons or waiting for ice cream to thaw. This heated ice cream scoop warms up quickly to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you glide through even rock-solid ice cream straight from the freezer. Just grip the handle to activate heating, no buttons required. It continues warming for 40 seconds after use, making every scoop smooth and simple. Perfect for ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt. Easy for anyone to use. Designed to help those with limited hand strength. Seniors, children, or people with limited grip can scoop ice cream effortlessly with this electric scooper. It reduces strain on wrists and hands, so everyone in the family can serve themselves a sweet treat with ease. Adult supervision recommended for kids under 12. Kitchen tongs set. Food-level stainless steel. The heavy-duty Hotech kitchen tongs built with stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with a set of 2 standard 9 cooking tongs and large-sized 12 barbecue grill tongs. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Pull ring lock and unlock and hanging loop. This kitchen tongs set has locking mechanism. Pull the ring for lock and push for unlock, super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use, or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it, space saving. Engineering for safety. New design pattern for the handle, better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle, and to eliminate wobbling any risk of burning your hands. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Yuliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans, rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut